Hello and welcome back. Today I want to show you my Party Switch menu, which allows you to change your party members, and you can either do it with the menu, or you can disable it in the menu and call it from outside, from an event. So if you only want to have certain points to switch your party, so here you can see the menu. Here are the available reserve members, and here you can see your active party. You can see that read is locked, so this means you can lock and unlock characters which have to be in this party, and now you can either move them out of a party so you have an empty slot, or you can put back again other members, and you can also switch them like this. And also you have different types of displaying your character. So in this case I use the SV actor image. You can also set it to face set image or to your character image. There are other options, so you can call the menu from here, from this event, or you can also use this character to lock another actor. So if you can see, my team now looks like this, and if I activate it, you see that Albert got added to the team, and also that he's locked, so I can't put him on reserve. So you can lock and unlock characters in the game. The next thing what I want to show you are the plugin commands. So here you can also select party switch, and here are your plugin commands. So here you can add new reserve actors or remove reserve actors, clear the whole list, or set the lock state of an actor. So those are the ones who need to be in the party. And you can also open the party switch menu from here. So let's just add a reserve actor. And let's open the menu directly after that. And now you can see that Gale is not part of the reserve. And if we click here, you now see that Gale got added to the reserve menu. And yeah, you can put him in your team. And here he is. And that's it for the quick overview. You can report bugs and ask for features or anything on the Discord. It will be listed in the description below, and also you can find the plugin on itch.io. The link will also be in the description.